a cargo ship or a cargo transportation that carries cars will sink in the deep waters.
Container ship carrying 2,000 cars, including 37 Porsches, worth millions of dollars, sinks off the coast of France.
In this precognition, I instantly found myself underwater, and when I was looking in front of me, underwater, there was what I could only describe as either a truck or a cargo container that was sinking. In front of me, I saw what looked like rows, like the first row with cars nicely parked, second row, cars nicely parked, third row, cars nicely parked, fourth row, cars nicely packed. So it looked like it was a container that was carrying cars from one place to another.
The Italian cargo ship sank on Tuesday en route from Hamburg to Casablanca. Authorities fear a major pollution disaster.
But at this point, it was sinking. It was underwater. I saw the water in the car, in the container. It was basically sinking. And we're talking about deep waters, not shallow water.
The vessel ran aground on March 12, about 150 nautical miles southwest of Brest, France, at a depth of 15,000 feet beneath the surface of the ocean.
I think that it is a cargo ship, but I know that a transportation that will carry cars or cargo such as cars, mainly cars, because that's what I really focused on.
330 kilometers off the coast of La Rochelle, the vessel was carrying thousands of second-hand vehicles. More worryingly, it also had over 2,000 tons of crude oil and 365 containers on board, 45 of which are deemed to be carrying toxic substances.
Transportation that will carry cars or cargo such as cars, mainly cars. Will sink in the sea. And obviously we know trucks don't float on water, so the truck could be in the ship, this container thing that transports. So I wanted to share that